Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I have a headphone that I love and I want to share it with you. This is by Rythflo and it beats all other headsets I have ever used. It is super comfortable. It just wraps around your neck and the part around your neck is rubber so it stays in place. And then the earpieces also fit very nicely in your ear. I almost leave this around my neck all day. If I want to listen to music, I can just pop these bad boys in both ears. And if I need to listen for my kids or I'm driving and I don't feel comfortable having both in or any other reason, I can just take one out and drop it. It stays around my neck. It doesn't bother me and I don't lose it. Super cool. And if I'm not listening to anything, the two little pieces have a nice little magnetic attachment to each other. And so it just stays on your neck. It just feels like a necklace. It's not irritating. This has been so nice to go on runs, or I have been doing some spring cleaning around our house, power washing, mowing, things like that. The sound quality also super, super good. And when I'm listening to these and it's turned up, I hear nothing around me. I could go on and on and on and on about how much I love these, all the things I use them for, all of the cool features, but just take my word for it. You will love them. They are awesome. Try them out. But that's just my point of view.